Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we are going to see how to create Christmas flyer in Photoshop. Before getting started, please download the project file, link in the description. With the project file, it will be much easier for you to follow this tutorial. So download the project file, watch this video completely. If you find this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel. Fine, let's get started. First go to the folder you downloaded. There you will see a PSD file called flyer. Open the file inside Photoshop. This one is a design ready file. Right from layers panel, guidelines, everything is ready for the designing. So you can straight away start designing it. Size is 4 by 6 inches. DPI is 300. Fine. First we are going to create a solid background. For that, go to color picker, select color 1380BD. Now select the first layer inside the folder background. I'm going to fill the color by using keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. Next go to design folder, create a new layer, name it as circle. We're going to create a circle shape. For that, go to color picker, select color ECD8BF. Okay, next go to shapes tool, select elliptical tool, give a click and create a circle which reads 864 by 864. Now by enabling free transform tool Ctrl T, I'm going to place it somewhere here. Okay, next we're going to add effects to this circle. For that, select the circle layer, blending option, outer glow. Here I'll go with the blending mode as color dodge. I'll keep the opacity as 50, increase the size to 250. Okay, next we are going to bring in our main image inside our canvas. For that, go to the folder you downloaded, open the image one inside Photoshop, drag and drop the image inside of canvas. I'll place this image inside image folder. If you want, you can resize the image, but here I'm not going to resize the image. I'll place it somewhere here. Okay, next we're going to bring in another image. Go to the folder you downloaded, open image 2 inside Photoshop, drag and drop it inside canvas. Now bring this layer right below the first one, the Santa Claus image layer. I'm going to place this one here. Okay, next we are going to bring in cloud stock image. For that, go to the folder you downloaded, open image 3 inside Photoshop, drag and drop it inside our canvas. Now I'm going to place it on the left hand. I'll create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J using keyboard shortcut. I'm going to resize this one by enabling Ctrl T. By holding Shift key, I'm going to resize it. I'll place it here. Okay, so next we are going to create our text content. Here I'm going to create just a simple mockup text. For that, select text folder, create a layer, go to color picker. I'll go with the same yellow color, enable text tool. I'm using font called Christmas Flake. It's a free font. I'll give the link in the description, you can download it. I'll keep the size as 55. I'll create another copy, Ctrl J, and I'll edit this one as Christmas. So our flyer is almost ready. As a final touch, we're going to add cloud effect to our flyer. For that, go to design folder, select a layer, create a layer. Now go to color picker. I'll go with the same yellow color. Now enable brush tool, select hard round brush. I'll keep the size as 15. Okay, it's already 15. Okay, I'm going to create dots which going to look like a snow. So our flyer is ready. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more Photoshop tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.